Hey everybody, this is Hometown. You want to go for a cruise with us? Check it out. We're out in our new car. On our way to get the stereo system put in. Pioneer amp, Pioneer stereo, and brand new Pioneer subs, 15-inch Pioneer subs. Now I hope you're all having a nice day out. We'll show you a little more when it's done. But yeah, we're out for a little cruise. We told you we'd bring you out, so we are. Talk about a little car. It's got the get up and go sports mode in it. I'll give you a little taste. Watch the speedometer. Talk about a ride now. Hitting about 70 over on Dry Fork Road. Talk about a smooth riding car, boy. Yep. Thought I'd get out. It was a nice day. I've been planning on it. Second car I've owned. One-time owner. All maintenance papers and everything well kept in order on the car. Yeah, it's a VW Sports Edition 2.5. Has the sports mode in it. Also, it's full automatic, and you can also do manual shift on it. Thought I'd bring you out for a little bit. Hope you have a nice day. And this is from your boy Hometown.